Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have Goldie back in the garage, and today we're going to work on that rattle noise coming from the exhaust. As you've seen in the videos before, there's a little ting ting rattle rattle noise going on when we were driving Goldie around. So we'll address that today and maybe work on the back tailpipe as well, as I do not like the look of the tailpipe off the back of the Grand Cherokee. Got to do all this in the garage without an exhaust bender, and we'll use the new welder that we purchased a couple weeks ago. That we got the old exhaust off, we'll go to the man mall and go get a new cherry bomb. Oh yeah, sticker. That'll look good on the trash can. I've been laying under this Jeep for about 5 minutes. You ever just sit under here and you're like, now what? So I'm just sitting here looking and wondering if I like the cherry bomb where it's sitting now. And I don't. So if I put this coupler in there and put the cherry bomb on, it's sitting way back there. Is to cut it here, move the coupler up here and up there. The problem is I only bought 3 pieces. I don't know if I have enough pipe, but we might have to run back. But I'm gonna move it. I took a chance, and the chance worked. This was my inlet before, but now where I can reverse this in the new cherry bomb, fits right in. I'm gonna buff the paint off that. Now it's pretty, but it's probably gonna weld like crap, and I need to get it a tighter fit in there. Let's do that. Well, here's an update on the exhaust. We got it welded up front. We got it back to here. The outlet, we got that coupler in here that we were gonna put up front, but now it's in the back with this pipe that we stole from the front of the muffler before back here. So we're gonna pull the tailpipe out and cut it, and then at the same time we're gonna figure out where to cut the end of the tailpipe to put that 45 in a new tailpipe. That we got the exhaust tacked in. You saw that we had it on the bungees. That worked out pretty well. Now we got to address the tailpipe and the fitment on that. I got to twist it a little bit, and I think I cut too much off, but we'll make it work. So we got the back mocked up here. I think we're good to tack weld it, and we will fit it, test it, see if it works. So we're going full commitment here. We're gonna weld the seams and put it back up, fit test it, and do the tailpipe. Got the axle pipe, and we got to work on the tailpipe. The bracket for the old exhaust is right in our way, so we'll have to relocate that. So now we have to come up with the tailpipe. I don't want to use the same one that we had on there, so I'm going to reuse our old muffler. What do you think? Time to crack it open. See what that rattle is. I believe I found a spot for the hanger. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be tucked behind the big tires. You'll never even see it. Thinking about putting the hanger right up in here with a self tapper and some tack welds. Bam-o! put it together. Well, the hanger bracket worked out pretty well. We'll finish welding that. We'll pull it back out again. Paint the tailpipe. Finish welding the new cherry bomb. And that should do it for tonight. And I'll see you in the morning with the finished product. Or a couple seconds for you. I introduce you to the black cherry bomb. Well, that's a wrap on this video. I like the end result on the budget build exhaust. Using the cherry bomb that we picked up at the Man Mall, and you know, made it a signature black cherry bomb. Also, I didn't really like that I had to use all those couplers and weld all those in, but it is a budget build. We don't have a bender, we got a welder, and just bought some couplers, reused some of the old exhaust to put the new cherry bomb on to replace the bad cherry bomb. So it all worked out in the end, and it just goes to show that with a little bit of time and a little bit of money, you can make your exhaust look a lot better and sound a lot better. And again, thanks for watching.